Show the main machine and all the accessories. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the accessory holder. Position the hydrofacial handle into the rack and connect the cable. Install the mini flask onto the spray handle and connect the cable. Position the spray handle into the rack and connect the cable to the main machine. Install the wastewater bottle. Install the clean water bottle. Install the A, B, and C bottles. Attach the hydrofacial tip to the handle. Add a mixed solution of serum and water at a ratio of 1:10 to the mini flask. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Press the hydrofacial active button on the panel. Rotate the hydrofacial flow control knob to adjust the water flow. Tap the start/pause button to begin. Tap the start/pause button to stop. Press the clean button on the panel. Attach the seal tip to the handle. Tap the start/pause button to begin. Tap the start/pause button to stop. Adjust the mist level by rotating the knob located at the end of the spray handle. Tap the start/pause button to begin. Tap the start/pause button to stop. Power off the instrument and disconnect the power cord.